What is an AMP site? In the previous video, I have told you about the pros and cons of an AMP site. Now, to make an AMP page, you need to make certain modifications to your existing HTML page. Like your HTML tag becomes HTML AMP tag, your IMG tag becomes AMP IMG tag, and so on. There is not a very big difference, but all your CSS are added inline in an AMP site. And most important, custom JavaScript or external JavaScripts are not allowed. You need to include certain AMP specific codes and the AMP CSS boilerplate to your code, which takes care of everything. You will find a complete documentation on this website. Do you know, for an AMP site, you have separate code even for embedding the Instagram and the Twitter feeds? Then please subscribe the channel to know about amazing things like this. You can convert your existing website into AMP site, or you can parallelly run your canonical as well as AMP site in few simple steps. To know about the benefits and disadvantages, click on the I button above. That's my 90 seconds. See you tomorrow.